Hi everyone and welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Kristen and I am a certified fitness instructor and an occupational therapist. And today I have for you a 10-minute moderate level intensity cardiovascular workout. It consists of 5 moves that we're going to do 2 times through for 1 minute each. You don't need any equipment. There's no jumping, which makes it easier on your joints and easier on any neighbors you may have below you. And all you need is a little bit of space around you. If you have any injuries or feel any pain in your joints while doing any of these moves, please stop that move. Just march in place and join us on the next one. If you haven't done a warm-up yet, I encourage you to do so, and I'll link one of my warm-ups below. And with that, I invite you to make some space around you, grab your water, and let's get moving. So the first move we're going to do is just stepping side to side. You can start with your hands on your hips or use your arms up overhead. Let's go. Side to side. So you can go at your own pace during this workout. If at any point you feel so breathless that you can't even talk, you've probably gone pretty high on the intensity level, and to back off, you can just put your hands on your hips. If you need more intensity, make sure you're always adding on those arms, or you could go faster, lift those legs higher, squat lower. Many options to increase our intensity. Good. We've got about 20 more seconds left of what I call no jumping jacks. Good. We're always going to be keeping our abdominals engaged, so pulling that belly button into the spine. Great. Next up, we're going to lift our leg up and kick. Knee up and kick. So some high kicks to the front. If you want to add on some arms, punch with the opposite arm. Good. So once again, to increase the intensity, you could go faster, kick higher, punch harder. To bring it back, you could kick lower, hands on the hips. Do what works for you today. Good. But for every move, and I'm probably going to remind you each time, want to think about pulling that belly button in towards the spine, engaging those abdominals. Good, just a few seconds left. Good. Next, feet nice and wide. We're going to send the hips back, bend one side, one leg, push up. Hips back, bend the other leg, push up. So side lunges. Lunge side to side. Feet stay on the ground. Bending at the hips, so our back is nice and straight. We're not bending at the waist like this, we're bending down here. Adding on, you could reach with one hand towards the opposite foot. However, if that makes you breathe uncomfortably heavy or fast, keep those hands on the hips. Also, if you do happen to reach down, make sure you keep your head up above your heart. Okay? Don't go so low so your head's going down like that. Good. Next up, our hands in a fist. At the center, we're going to go to the back with one elbow, rotate to the other side, bring a knee up. Rotate back with the elbow, back with the other elbow, knee. Elbow, elbow, knee. So it's twist, twist, knee. 1, 2, 3. Or elbow, elbow, knee. Elbow, elbow, knee. As you get the hang of this, you could go a little faster. This one's really important that you keep those abs engaged, really nice and tight in the core. You want to think about sucking in your stomach or contracting those abs so hard that if someone came and gave give you a little punch in the stomach, what would you do in anticipation? You'd contract those abs, and that's what you want to keep a hold of through this exercise. Good work. Next up, we're just going to do the simple squat. Feet shoulder width apart, hips back, sit, and up. So let's go. Quick though this time. These squats are not so much for strength, we're just going up and down, getting that heart rate up. Get as low as you can and still go fairly quickly. Making sure those hips are well back behind the knees and the knees stay back behind the toes. Good, so you can go slower. If you're finding you're too out of breath, bend less slow, or don't bend as much. If you need intensity, get low and go quickly. Good. Let's repeat that all one more time. So those side steps with arms up overhead. Let's go. Or what I call no jump, jumping jack. So a good test to know, am I working at a moderate intensity level, is you should still be able to talk, to say a full sentence, maybe be a little bit breathless like I am, but you shouldn't be able to say, sing easily. If you can't get a word in edgewise to someone beside you because you're breathing so heavy, you've probably gone into more the high intensity level of workout. And if that's not for you, then pull back, choose a different option and come back to a bit lower intensity. Next, we have the knee kick, knee kick, knee kick. With the arms, punch, yes. Good work. So again, I'll show you at the side. First thing, make sure that belly button is being pulled into the spine. And we're lifting the knee up first and then kicking, bringing it in and down. Knee up, kick, and down. With a punch. Of course, to make it easier, kick lower, but I still want you to think about bringing that knee up first. Good work. About 5 more seconds of this move. We're moving on. Good. We'll do those side lunges. Feet nice and wide, abs tight. Let's go. Hip back, bend, push with this leg. Hip back, and the leg, and push. Lunge. Speed it up a little bit once you've got the hang of it. If you want, you could add on a reach down towards the opposite toe. It could be a little reach, maybe you're reaching just to your knee. That could be the start. If you feel you've got the flexibility, number one, in your hips to lunge that low, and you've got the energy today, you can reach down towards your toe. Or you go back, 2 hands on the hips. Just make sure you can still talk, out of breath a little bit, but not so out of breath you can't say a word. Good work. All right, those twists. So elbow, elbow, knee. Elbow, elbow, knee. Or twist, twist, knee. Twist, twist, knee. Once you've got it, you could go a little faster. Twist, twist, knee. I like to exhale on that knee. Really pull the abs in when I do that. Belly button into the spine. Your abs, you want to imagine your abs are tight, like a corset, and they're trying to stop you from doing the rotation. Good work. 15 seconds. 5. Good. And last but not least, those squats. So again, technique, hips back, bend the knees, push up, hips back. It could be a little squat, just a little one. Especially if you have trouble in hips and knees, just do some little ones for now. Or if your knees and your hips can take it, it all feels good, get as low as you can. Let's go quick on these ones. Good. I like to reach forward a bit with the arms when I squat. It's kind of like a counterbalance to the weight I'm sending back with my hips. 15 seconds left. Deep breaths. 5 seconds. Good work. That is it for our 10-minute cardio session. All right, thank you so much again for joining me, and more importantly, thank yourself for showing up and doing the hard work. It's really gonna pay off for your health in the long run. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And of course, feel free to leave any comments down below. What did you think of this workout? Did you enjoy it? Do you want more like this? Longer, more intense, less intense? Let me know, and I'm happy to make new workouts based on requests. With that, I wish you a good day or night, and of course a good week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.